Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1932 Ford Coupe. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We have a brand new 4-bolt main block, all forged steel internals, painted the Ford blue. We have the new timing cover, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, AFR aluminum cylinder heads on there, roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set, Moroso rear sump oil pan for the customer's application, correct, oil stick and tube on there, high flow fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel line, inline gas filter, oil pressure extension on there for easy hookup for the oil pressure switch, distributor set in place, real nice blue ignition wires, all the wire markers are installed on there. Aluminum intake manifold, quick fuel carburetor, MSD ignition coil. It's nice Cobra valve covers, Cobra air cleaner, 427 badges. Proper bell housing for the customer's TKX 5-speed transmission. The ram clutches in there, all aligned and all set. Clutch forks, rod bearing installed. High torque mini starter. PCV ventilation line on there, Russell heavy duty, manifold vacuum fittings, electric choke wire. We have the polished Raptor pulley kit on there, AC compressor, self-tensioning belt tensioner. This application for the 32 Ford Coupe has a real shorty standard rotation water pump on there for clearance. 160 amp alternator, one wire hookup. This way you get it, complete turnkey, ready to go. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure cold and hot, water temperature, timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, drop in ready, right out of the crate. So again, this is our 427 Ford 540 horse engine for the 32 Ford Coupe. Thanks for watching.